Today we're doing real home alchemy. Copper plating steel without electricity, only chemistry. Step 1. The blue stuff. Exactly 50 grams of copper sulfate. Second ingredient, battery electrolyte, sulfuric acid. Measure 50 mml. Add distilled water, about 225 ml. Tap water won't work here. Safety rule learned the hard way. Always pour acid into water, never reverse. Shake until the blue crystals dissolve. This is our working solution. Now the steel. You can't just dip and expect copper to stick. First, degrease thoroughly with acetone. The surface must be absolutely clean. Pour the copper solution into a convenient container. Definitely not for drinking. First attempt, dipping the steel. The reaction starts instantly. Iron is immediately replaced by copper. Looks impressive. But this is where beginners get fooled. One scratch and the copper flakes off. No real bonding. To make copper bite into steel, we need fresh, active metal. Sand the surface aggressively. Remove every trace of oxide. Clean the dust and degrease again. Now the steel is chemically active. Second attempt. Dipping the rod again. Same violent reaction. Take it out and wipe it hard while it's still wet. We remove loose copper, leaving only what actually bonded to the steel. For a thicker layer, repeat the cycle. Dip, wait, wipe, polish. Durability test. Scratching with a knife again. Now the copper hole. This is real adhesion, not paint. That's how you copper plate steel at home. Simple chemistry done right. Please give this video a like, and thanks for watching.